Yeah, somehow I did have some I did have some problems with my audio. I'm sorry for that. So I will go through my trade recap once again. I will make it a short video, and I hope I don't have any issues with my sound. Okay, so this is Euro AUD. It's a pair that I have been trading back and forth, honestly. But lately, it's a pair that's been giving very much to me. Honestly, it's returning the love, if I say it like that. So so yes, Euro AUD. I will go through a small top-down analysis. We can see that on the weekly that we are bullish. On the daily, we are bullish since we did take out this high, lower high, as lower low, lower high, lower low, and then we did this shift, the market structure in daily. So we are bullish on the daily too, and I have marked out this daily BC where price could potentially want to go up to, right? On the H4, I can see the liquidity grab and this shift the market structure where we did take out this high, and we did leave this small imbalance in a discount. So it's a lot of reasons and a lot of confluences why you want to look for long positions, right? Which is normally what you're supposed to do if all the time frames is correlating and it's telling us that we are bullish, right? So we saw this liquidity grab where we grabbed this low, and then we made a higher high, right? So this high is higher than that high, and then we need to focus on where we could enter a potential long position from. Right? So I did put a buy limit because on the M30 we do have this down candle, which I see as a bullish order block. We wicked into this area once, and let's change it to New York time. And as you can see, we got tagged into here, and then I want to see a bullish movement. So once we enter this area and came down to this bullish order block, so since we when we wicked into this area and left quite a huge wick, I entered a long position and put my stop loss below this low. and my TP was supposed to be this next H4 key level, but yeah, as you can see, price took me out, and from there it has just been trading lower. So I need to reassess and see where price could potentially want to go down to. But we are still in this bullish trend. There is not enough. We could still go up, but if we were to take out this high, if this high was supposed to be taken out, then there is a high possibility that we could go very much higher, right? So that's that. And then I did take a similar one on GA, and this was my thesis. If we were to take out this Asian high, this is a very solid long position. This is a very solid long. So basically what my thought process was that it's the same on GA. On the weekly we have tagged into this weekly busy, right? We saw this bullish engulfing, and then we saw this rejection. And if we want, we can mark out this previous weekly high and previous weekly low. But we saw on the daily that we closed below on the daily on this swing low. We tapped into this daily imbalance, but this is still a good level to look for some long positions from. So it's still a possibility that price could go down here. But when you look into the H4, you can see that price is having a hard time going lower. So for me, this looks for me very much bullish, honestly. This looks very bullish to me because we tapped into this, what's it, daily? Yeah, this daily CB. So we tapped into this daily CB, right? So if price want to go down lower, then we shouldn't have this kind of resistance. That's my thought process, that if price we want to go down lower from this daily CB, do we want to see this kind of rejection and this kind of fighting back from the bulls if we were bearish? Probably not, right? So for me, as long as this swing low on the H4 is protected, is respected, I could very much see that price is very much bullish. Then we do have this H4 key level, but we need to see. I don't like that price have a hard time even pushing up to the bullish bullish thesis, but I do have my stop loss, I do think, below this low, which is very much valid. Yeah, so my stop loss is below this low. If this low was supposed to be taken out, then there's still a chance that this low is being respected, but then there's a high chance that price could want to go down lower. And then my thesis would be that it wants to go down to this daily bullish order block, or this H4 bullish order block, this last down candle, which is a very, very beautiful area to look for some long positions from, I would say. But yeah, so I entered on GA, the thing with GA, the thing with my broker is it has a high spread but zero commission. But let's see, my entry came at 776. Okay, a little bit higher. Seven nine. And then my stop loss is and now we need to see what price wants to do. But if I were to look for some shorts, it would be once this low is taken out. Otherwise, I'm not going to take any short positions. Once this low is taken out, then I could see price heading down to the next level, which is this level, and this H4 bullish order block. Okay, so that's basically that. That's my trade recap from the 16th of September. Price is moving fast, so buckle up, and I see you guys soon. Have a nice trading week.